So there's only a few days to go now until the budget on the 16th of March. So what do we expect to hear the Chancellor say in the budget? And also, what would we like the Chancellor to say in the budget as well? The first point to make is that we expect this to be a revenue-raising budget, so not a giveaway to the electorate, but also not a tax-neutral position. So where will this additional tax come from? Well, there's been a lot of speculation around pensions and raising more money from pension changes, but recently the government's announced that it's not the right time to do that, and so we don't expect any major changes to pensions this time. So where will the money come from? Well, one obvious area the Chancellor could look at is fuel duty, because with oil prices low at the moment, it could be a good opportunity to increase fuel duty without too much pushback from the electorate. The other area that he could look at is tax evasion and avoidance. This is something the Chancellor's focused on in the last few years, and is certainly an area where he could raise more revenue. And also the BEPS initiative, so the base erosion and profit shifting provisions, that he could introduce more quickly some of the changes that have been flagged already. And this could encourage multinationals to pay a larger proportion of their tax in the UK rather than other parts of the world. Other things we expect to see in the budget are something more on the corporate tax roadmap, which the Chancellor's talked about before. And this should be positive in giving companies in the UK a roadmap and some certainty about the future. Also, business rates reform is something that's overdue, and a change here could certainly benefit manufacturers and retailers in this country. And finally, we know that the Chancellor is against Brexit, so he could well use this as an opportunity to announce that if the UK does decide to leave the EU after the June referendum, he would need to hold an emergency budget in order to deal with any unexpected economic issues that could arise as a result of Brexit. So what would we at BDO like to see in this budget, and what would our clients like to see? Well, we did poll our clients just prior to the budget. One of the noticeable points was they would like to see fairness in the tax system, which again leads to perhaps a need to look at tax evasion and avoidance. They also would like to see simplicity and a removal of red tape. Now, we know that the government have already started the Office of Tax Simplification initiative, and there are some reforms coming out of that, but it would be good to see those accelerated and put into place more quickly rather than taking a long time to introduce. Also, we've seen in the BDO Business Trends survey recently that productivity in the UK is actually falling. So it'd be good to see something in the budget to tackle productivity. Maybe enhancements to capital allowances for the so-called Internet of Things, and maybe an improvement to the 100% initial capital allowances that companies get to encourage them to spend more money on new plant and machinery. But finally, what we'd really like to see is more support for the mid-market. Mid-market companies are the real backbone of the UK economy, and so we'd like to see more initiatives to help stimulate and grow those businesses in the UK.